Most people in Germany lose money without even realizing it. Hidden fees, poor exchange rates, and slow payments quietly add up. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is choosing a digital wallet just because it is popular, without checking fees, features, and real usability in daily life. Here's the truth no one tells you. The right digital wallet can actually save you money, and even earn you rewards in 2026. Quick promise. In this video, you will learn the 10 best digital wallets in Germany, how they compare in real use, and which ones help you avoid fees while getting the most value in everyday payments. Let's start with the basics. A digital wallet is an app or service that lets you store money, pay online, and often send or receive funds instantly. In Germany, these tools are widely used for shopping, travel, subscriptions, and even splitting bills with friends like Anna or Lucas. Now here's where it gets interesting. Not all wallets work the same way. Some focus on cashback, others on international transfers, and some are built directly into banking systems. First up is PayPal. It is one of the most widely accepted wallets in Germany. It is simple, fast, and used almost everywhere. But here's the problem. Currency conversion fees can be high if you use it internationally. Next is Apple Pay. It is built into iPhones and is extremely convenient for in-store payments. It is secure and fast, but it depends on your linked bank card. Google Pay is similar and widely used on Android devices. It is great for contactless payments in supermarkets, cafes, and transport. Now let's talk about Revolut. This is where many users start saving real money. Revolut offers low foreign exchange fees, budgeting tools, and even crypto options. For someone like Jake traveling across Europe, this becomes extremely useful. N26 is another strong option in Germany. It is a full digital bank with a built-in wallet. You get a German IBAN, instant notifications, and clean budgeting tools. Here's a key insight many beginners miss. Traditional banks often hide fees in transactions, while digital wallets like Wise make them visible and transparent. Wise is especially powerful for international transfers. It uses real exchange rates, which helps you avoid unnecessary conversion losses. Payoneer is popular for freelancers and online workers. If you are receiving payments from clients abroad, this can be a strong choice. Then we have Klarna. It is not just a wallet, but also a buy now pay later platform. It is widely used in Germany for online shopping. Skrill is another option, especially for online gaming and international transfers. It is fast but not as widely accepted for daily use. Finally, there are bank-based wallets from Sparkasse and Deutsche Bank apps. These are reliable but less feature-rich compared to modern fintech apps. In a minute, here is what really matters. The best wallet depends on your lifestyle. If you shop locally, Apple Pay or Google Pay is enough. If you travel or send money abroad, Revolut or Wise saves you more. If you freelance, Payoneer becomes essential. To summarize, the best digital wallets in Germany balance convenience, low fees, and real-world usability. PayPal, Revolut, N26, Wise, Apple Pay, and Google Pay lead the market for different reasons. If you found this helpful, like the video, comment your favorite wallet, and subscribe for more simple and practical money guides.